This is how you create a cool blockbuster trailer title inside After Effects. Go up to the text tool at the top here, type out your phrase or title, command double click the pan behind tool to center the anchor point, then align it to the center. And the font I'm using is just Helvetica Bold, but you can choose whatever you like. Then go new, solid, make sure it's white, okay, and then search fractal noise. Apply that, change the noise type to block, drop down to the transform window, untick uniform scaling, scale width 450, scale height 600, complexity 3, and then keyframe the offset turbulence on frame 1, move to the end of the timeline, and then just shift it to the side like that. Option click the evolution, type time asterisk 125, then apply a fast box blur, set the blur radius to 75. And then on the text, apply an effect called Set Channels. Then change the first 3 source layers to the solid. And change the source to Effects and Masks. And then on this toggle switch mode, we can change the track map to the solid as well. And then we can apply the tritone effect to the text. And then let's change it to some cool gold colors. First color, I'm going to do sort of a light beigey yellow. Then I'm going to do sort of a mid orangey beige. And then a darker sort of beigey brown. Then apply a bevel alpha effect to the text. Then we can zoom in a bit to see a bit better. Just increase the thickness slightly to about 4. And then go to frame 1 and then also apply a light sweep. On the first frame, move the center off the text, keyframe it, and then go to about 2 seconds into your timeline and then just pull it across like that. You can increase the width slightly if you want. And then we can go new camera, do 35mm standard Hollywood, go OK, and then we can make our text a 3D layer by clicking the cube icon here. Then click P on the camera, keyframe the position on frame 1, move to the end, go up to the dolly in tool, and then just slowly slide in like that. And then finally, we can keyframe the opacity, keyframe it on 100 here, type 0 on frame 1, and then go to about 3 seconds, and then fade it out. Can highlight those keyframes, go keyframe interpolation, Bezier, and voila, there we have it, an easy title. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.